Whoa, check it out, guys.
Yeah.
So we're actually thinking about purchasing another vehicle. Gonna head over to one of the dealerships to go see one of the cars that one of the cars Crunch Dad's interested in. Leave a comment down below what you guys think we're gonna be picking, but we're gonna head over now. We're gonna go check it out. What should we get, Jordan? What do you think we should get?
A big car or a small car?
A big car.
A big car? Oh, okay. You know, right now during the pandemic, it's harder to go to places. I know a lot of people are getting vaccinated, so we don't know when traveling safely is gonna be back to normal. For the time being, like, I think that we should invest in something that we can be a little bit more outdoorsy. I feel like we can do some more traveling videos. We could maybe even do a cross-country video and vlog that whole experience. So ultimately, I want something that's going to be, you know, a little bit more utilized as a travel vehicle where we can camp out of if we need to. Something a little bit larger, whether it be a minivan or a truck. I don't know. What do you think, Crunch Mom?
Well,
oh,
rationally speaking, I don't think we need another car just because we don't really do too much. We don't leave the house all that much.
Right now.
But now, I'm gonna support Crunch Dad's decision on this truck because he never really splurges on himself. He doesn't really do stuff for himself. So I think
that's the only reason.
Yeah, I think you deserve it. Like, you work hard and, you know, you take care of us, and I think that this is something for you, which, you know, you always provide for us, and I think it's about time you did something for yourself.
But yeah, if anyone in Orange County works for Honda, let us know. Get us a good deal. Emails down below. Check it out. All right, so we'll see you guys when we get there. Oh. All right, we'll see you guys there.
Thank you for calling the Westminster Police Department.
Yeah. Yeah, I think she just put me on hold. I mean, I'm on hold right now. We were just driving on Beach and Westminster in California here, and there's like a fire in one of the sewer areas. But yeah, so we're on hold with dispatch. I probably should have called 911, but there was a little fire in the sewer. It wasn't huge, but it was just starting.
I mean, it was pretty big, I think.
It was. Yeah, I was on the corner of Beach and Westminster. On Westminster. Right? Yes. Okay. Cool. Oh. Okay. Did she say hold on 1 second?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
At least she knows.
Oh, well, yeah. Does that mean that she knows and I need to hang up, or does that mean just hold and?
I mean, if she knows, I guess
she knows. If you know, you know.
What's the reason?
Okay, so yeah, it was a manhole or something.
Yeah, it was like the
sewage, right?
It was the sewage route, so where all the water flows into.
Okay, how bad was it?
I mean, it was getting pretty bad. I mean, it was enough that I noticed it while I was driving by it.
Okay.
It was pretty smoky. You could see physical flames coming out of it. It looked like it was clogged. So I'm not too sure what happened there. So just a heads up. All right, guys, we are here.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go check it out. I didn't see it in the front lot over here, but hopefully they have it in the back somewhere and they can pull it out and so we can give it a check. We'll see you guys in a sec, okay? And they didn't have the truck that I was looking for. Crunch Dad dropped the ball. He probably should have called the dealership to confirm before coming over here. But I did look it up on their website, and they said that they had it in inventory. So I thought that was good enough. But next time I'll make sure to make a phone call and confirm 100% before we spend time driving all the way out here. So we're gonna we'll get back to you guys once we actually find the dealer that does have the truck in stock. But for now, we're gonna go buy some food. Leave us comments down below, guys. What do you guys think? Truck, van, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive? You don't really care? You do care?
What color?
What color? Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Or should we even get it?
Or should we even get it? All right, let's go. So they give you gloves as you come in. Korean, what else should we get?
Side dishes.
Do you know what side dishes are in Korean? They're banchan.
Panchan.
Let's go get banchan.
Let's go get panchan.
Oh yeah, so this is where we got our Haidi Lao. That's the Instapot thing.
Mommy likes this one.
Oh. Alright guys, we just finished up shopping. Here's that little life hack from TikTok where you can pack everything in your car. Super cool, super easy, you just throw everything in. Alright, everything's packed. Let's go. Alright, we had to cut filming a little short in there. You guys didn't miss out on too much.
They came up and said.
But yeah, they came up and they said that we couldn't film in there. And then we're gonna head back home. We'll see you guys there.
Whoa.
Whoa! Alright guys, so we just got back home. We just had some lunch. And now we're going to set up the tent.
Yeah.
So we're gonna camp out here in the back here. We're gonna start setting up the tent.
Yes.
So we just made a couple of TikToks, so make sure you guys go check those out. We're gonna be making this tent right now.
Yeah.
Here we go. Alright, and that was it. That was pretty easy. And there's actually one more part that goes on top, so we're gonna build that out right now too. Nice.
Nice.
Alright, so we're inside the tent,
Oh
guys.
no, there's a shark coming
A
inside.
shark? Oh, we close it. There we go. Alright, so the tent's all built. We're actually gonna sleep in here tonight. That's gonna be fun. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna sleep inside this tent tonight. Oh, he's closing it all up. It's gonna be so hot. So we're gonna be sleeping on this inflatable bed here. And the easiest way to blow this up is by going... No, we're not gonna blow it up by mouth. That would take forever. We're gonna use a shop vac. Okay.
Do you guys hear that?
Look how easy that was. Whoa. Okay, let's put it inside. How is it?
Good.
Should we go get the blankets to cover it? Let's go get them. When I was Jordan's age, I started camping too with my parents and my sister. I always feel like it's really important for kids to experience outdoors, and we haven't actually camped on like a campsite or anything like that, but I wanted to do it in the backyard, get them exposed to sleeping outside and outdoors. But we've slept in this before inside the house, so we've done it in the house before. This was like a while ago.
And
But
we did this outside a long time ago too.
did we? We slept outside? Are you sure? I don't remember. This is a good practice, so if you guys are ever looking into, you know, doing something fun for the kids, do a little tent party. Do a little tent party in your backyard. If you don't even have a backyard, build a fort inside. You could use chairs or whatever it is to build a fort inside, and you could do a little camping trip inside too. But yeah, we're gonna sleep outside, and we got the tent all set up. This is gonna be fun.
Your breath is stinky.
Oh, thanks.
It's garlicky.
Oh, sorry.
It
All right,
stinks.
we'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So I'm gonna prep everything right now, and we'll show you guys outside what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna be doing a Korean barbecue. So we're gonna get everything ready here. They're upstairs just kind of chilling and relaxing. So let me get everything ready, and then we'll show you guys outside and how we do Korean barbecue here. All right, so you guys can come with me. We're gonna come over here and get some lettuce. Our lettuce wraps. Doesn't get any fresher than this. Oh, hi, Mother. All right, so we'll give it a good wash, and then we'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? Alright guys, so we're all in the tent right now. We're actually watching a movie in the backyard. You guys can't really tell. We have a little mini projector right here. Okay, so we're gonna finish up this movie, right Jordan?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so we're in the tent. We're gonna sleep out here tonight. It's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.